I'm so done with Media exceed device capabilities. I'm over with MediaTek products. I'm serious. MediaTek SoCs are nice on benchmarks. More recent ones are also nice if you want to consume media for your TikTok, for your Facebook, surfing in the web, Facebook, whatever, watching a YouTube video, watching Netflix. Everything is fine. Everything works fine. You can flex with your 1 point, don't ask me, million Antutu score. Everything is great. But if you want to do something productive, like I wanted to cut my video, I did shot with a not so modern Ace Pro for the Insta360, a 4K video, nothing crazy, 4K video. What does he say? What does it tell me? Media exceeds device capabilities. Why? I mean, serious, why? Then I tried another app and it told me VLC for if I can play the video. Codec not supported, H.265. Why? Finally, I did cut it on my 5-year-old Motorola G200 with a Snapdragon 888, which is really not top of the state. Even back then, the 888 was not highly praised. It was not that loved CPU, and it still runs everything. But this device, brand new, Media exceed device capabilities. It does not open the videos. It does not cut them. I got one app. I have to mention it. inMello, the video cutting app, at least open it. But it was a freaking slideshow. And it's not like I filmed it in 120 frames or something. It was 30 frame or is a 30 frame video in 4K with H.265. And he refused to do it. That is the reason why I don't like MediaTek products. I don't like it.